Let's dive into the theory and practice of user personas in just 3 days. Welcome to the second week of the free UX 6 weeks course. You'll need either a paid ChatGPT or Claude 3 subscription. Since the literature on the topics we're tackling is quite scattered and complex, we want to efficiently master specific methodologies foundational to our study without wasting time on unnecessary details. Day 1. Kick things off by asking ChatGPT a simple question. What are user personas? Make sure to use GPT 4.4.0 or later. Initially, you'll get a very general response. Your task is to dig deeper by questioning ChatGPT for at least an hour about what this methodology is, how it works, where it's applied, and what it achieves. You're done when ChatGPT tells you that you've run out of tokens and need to wait before proceeding further. Set an alarm so you don't lose track of time. Meanwhile, head over to Medium, UX Magazine, and Smashing Magazine. Search for anything related to user persona case studies. It's more efficient to have subscriptions to these sites, especially Medium. Avoid spending time on books, YouTube videos, or podcasts about user personas today. Focus on textual cases and ChatGPT interactions. I'm specifically not covering the basics here because the brain works in a way that information you find on your own is valued higher and is much more likely to be remembered than information that's simply spoon-fed from a single source. This approach encourages you to actively engage and learn more effectively. Invest at least 6 hours in this on the first day. Day 2, fake personas. Now that you have a basic understanding of the methodology, start by creating fake personas for a business. Use Google Maps to find businesses in or near your apartment building. Don't pick businesses you like. Choose the first one you see. If none are nearby, take a 15-minute walk and note the first 3 to 4 businesses you encounter. Or explore business areas in the nearest capital city using Google Street View. Spend an hour to draft 3 personas for the chosen business. Then test these personas. Come up with 2-3 key questions you need answers to from these personas. Find these people on social networks or among acquaintances. If possible, call them. If not, send a message. Speed is more important than quality at this stage. Look for those who are online right now and ask for a 10-minute chat. Be direct and honest. I'm studying user research and your opinion is very important to me. Adjust your approach if you feel more comfortable. Record all responses and check how well they match your fake personas. Aim for at least 5 calls, but strive for 15 to 20 if you can. Day 3, real personas. Continue interacting with real people via text or calls, refining your fake personas into real ones, expanding your question list, and analyzing the responses. Many drop out at this stage when it's time to interact with real people. If that happens, perhaps you are not yet motivated enough to switch professions or transform your life. It's okay. Sometimes a deep crisis is needed as motivation. Spend 2 hours compiling a user persona case study for your portfolio. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it should be concrete and results-oriented. Draw inspiration from the articles you read on Medium, UX Magazine, and Smashing Magazine. These are your first 3 days in the second week of the UX 6 weeks course. Don't miss the next video where we'll tackle jobs to be done.